If you're switching from Mozilla Firefox to Microsoft Edge, this video is going to save you a lot of time. Today, I'll show you exactly how to transfer your Firefox data into Microsoft Edge, including bookmarks, passwords, browsing history, and other saved information in just a few clicks. This is the easiest way to move your browsing setup without starting over from scratch. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. Before we begin, make sure both Mozilla Firefox and the Microsoft Edge are completely closed. This helps avoid sync issues or data conflicts while you're importing. Once everything is closed, open only Microsoft Edge on your computer. You want Edge to be the only browser running for this process. Now that Microsoft Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This is where Edge keeps most of its main settings and tools. From the menu that appears, click Settings. That will take you into the browser settings page. On the left side of the settings screen, click Profiles. Profiles is where Edge manages your personal browsing data, account settings, and import options. Once you're in Profiles, look for the option that says Import Browser Data and click it. This opens the tool that lets you bring data in from another browser. Now you should see an option that says Import Data from Firefox. Click Import next to it. Microsoft Edge will then scan Firefox and prepare a list of data types it can transfer over. This may include favorites or bookmarks, passwords, browsing history, and other saved browser information depending on what Firefox has stored. Take a moment to review the list carefully. Check the boxes next to the items you want to move over to Edge. For example, if you only want your bookmarks, you can select just favorites. If you also want to keep your saved logins, make sure passwords is selected as well. If you want a full transition, select everything that applies to your browsing setup. Once you've chosen the data you want to import, click Import. Edge will begin transferring the selected Firefox data into your browser. Depending on how much data you have, this may only take a few seconds. After the import is complete, click Done to finish the process. And that's it. Your Mozilla Firefox data has now been transferred to Microsoft Edge, making it much easier to continue browsing without losing your saved information. This is a great way to switch browsers while keeping your important data intact. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.